First of all, just give us a sense of what this means concretely. Does it mean that your new products will be much more sustainable, new energy friendly, and that you'll reduce carbon emissions?
Good morning. Thank you for having me. Yes, the CDP prize received on two elements, as you know. First, on transparency in reporting on our carbon emissions and the way we encourage all our ecosystem also to join us in this effort. So we encourage our suppliers very much to report also on carbon emissions and to join the CDP project. And then on the performance aspects, and there we achieved, we committed to reduce by minus 50% from a 2005 baseline our carbon emissions, and actually until 2015. And actually we will achieve this goal. We are all roughly at minus 50% in the beginning of 2015, and so we are quite happy about the performance and also the reward, of course.
In terms of sustainability, so you were giving some of the figures there. Your report gives the goals of 2020, and